I like maybe I like one peas or something soft where him can eat, you know. But him bite down on it and him not understand the flavors of that.
I do understand the flavor. See, I understand the lingo. Don't try to tell me I'm not listening. I'm listening. Yes, Boogie.
You see, him they are recording me right now. That's why I'm not for going to Stush House, Chico. Him I do my YouTube channel for my cooking. Me I teach the girl them how to keep them man. We I start a cooking channel.
Okay, hold on, Adrian. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get the other camera real quick. Hold on.
You hear me? You hear? Yeah, big and seriously. He's a master massage therapist and esthetician. So him teach me how to, you know, do the facial them and all of them something there. Plus him, you know, advance me in the massage therapy training and all of them something too. So I know. I know. You feel so what? Yeah? I don't know. I mean, some people hungry for money, I don't know. You gotta see how you want it. It's not easy. Benjamin, I didn't think you was coming over here to record shit on your birthday. Come eat and relax, boy. You want me to make you a rum punch? You said yeah? Huh? Oh, you going to school. Let me not encourage the foolishness. You want me to make you a rum punch?
No, I'm good. This is perfect. You get water?
Yes, I got you on the water.
You are the best. I owe you. This is the best meal ever.
Sorry, my gloves are clean. It's just stained from. There you go.
Thank you. It's okay.
You want a knife too? You want to eat like a stush?
Look at this. Ooh, can I have some gravy? Or some
Look,
sauce?
you are a mess. You want more,
It's
like,
my birthday.
everybody likes to drink my gravy. What is wrong with y'all? All my clients, like,
Okay,
I need to, I'm going to give you some carrots and potatoes,
yes,
which you don't
please.
like.
Nice. That's perfect. That's perfect.
Hey, Chico.
Perfect movie. I mean, movie. Boogie.
Boogie groovy.
Why is it? I know.
Chico. Him rice are swimming in gravy, you know. Him so funky time bird here.
Can I take pictures?
Yes.
Watch him on the camera with the food. You see him have a camera in him on?
Oh, you see me now? Oh, okay. So here I am. Today is January 15th, 2019, and I'm here at my wonderful friend and Dream's house, aka Dream. She's a dream girl, and she cooked for me for my birthday. I'm so happy, and I can't wait to eat because this is what she cooked me. So wonderful, so good. It's curry chicken and rice, Jamaican style. Call me now or call her now, and she will hook you up with a nice plate as well. All right.